Good morning, everyone. Assalamualaikum, and I hope that all of you are in good condition. So today, I would like to bring you to a simple lesson of which to edit your picture for a Hari Raya card using your phone. As you all remember, we were learning about getting dressed, right? So get dressed. So why not we show the outfit that we have for our Hari Raya? So the first thing that you have to do is you must have your handphone and make sure to open the Play Store or App Store. Click on it. Like here, I have the Play Store over here. Okay, and click on it. The next thing that you have to do is on the search bar, search for Canva, C-A-N-V-A, Canva, C-A-N-V-A, and you can see the apps there, the application there. Click on the application. So you will see this. For those who might have the app in your phone, there shouldn't be any problem because you can straight away use it. For those who first time using it, this is what you are going to see, and make sure to click on install. So you click on install, wait for it. It takes time to install. It's still pending for the installation. There you go, 16%, 33%, 50%, 66%, 74, 85, 92, and 99. So there you go. The apps is installing now. Let's wait for it, and you can straight away open it. Okay, once you are opening the application of Canva, you will be prompted with logins. I'm not sure what you are seeing now, but you might want to choose to sign up with Google. Just sign up with Google, click on sign up with Google, and choose any of the account that you want to use in your phone. So I'm using my personal account here, and this is what you should see straight away once you have once you have get in the Canva application itself. So make sure that you have this. If not, you might want to click on the back button before you find the same page as what you are looking at now. So you are going to have this where you can create a design for your Instagram post, for your logo, or your poster. So what we are going to do today is we are going to make a card. So scroll a little bit to the left and find this card. You should find this card. Okay, click on card, and you will see the choices of cards that you can use, but I want you to start it from blank. As you can see on the left corner there, blank. Click on blank. It takes time a bit, and you will have a blank templates there. So it will bring you straight away to this part of which you can choose from templates, uploads, photos, elements, and everything. So the first thing that you want to do is to upload your picture. So click on uploads. Let's say you cannot find any of your picture over here. You click on upload media here, the purple button, click it. If you can find the picture straight away, you can click and straight away add it up. But if you cannot find it, what you can do is the part where browse files in other apps, you scroll it to the left like I'm doing now. Scroll it to the left. You might find your gallery, you might find your photos. I'm clicking on photos and I am choosing the photos that I want to use, which is this one. Okay, so there goes my photo there. I can simply click on it and it will appear on the blank card that we have. So once you have it, the photo there, bring it to the corner here and then resize it a little bit like this. Okay, make sure when you want to resize the picture, you make sure that your fingers are put exactly on the edges or at the side of it. You can see the dot there, you can see the dash here. So this is where that you can use to resize the picture. So take your time and try to explore it. Okay, so the first thing to put your picture on the card is done. Take your time and try. And the next thing we are going to do is we are going to add up a text. So how to add text? You can see on the left bottom, the bottom left corner, you can see the add button with the purple color. So you click on it and you will see this: templates, uploads, photos, elements, text, audio, video, gallery, and so on and so forth. What we are going to choose is we are going to choose the text. Choose the text and you will see that there are a few choices you can use. It's up to you which one that you want to use, but for me, I am using the simplest one, which is this. Can you see it? There you go. So the text will appear in your card. Don't worry, you can edit it. What you can do is click on it and you will straight away be able to edit it. See? Selamat Hari Raya. Oops. Raya. Okay, and then the next part here, from the Millers here, I change it to from Mr. Haziq and then dua or to al to make sure the cursor is correct. Al Khawarizmi. Okay, if you look at it, the size of the font is quite big. It's quite large there. So again, put your finger where you can edit the text. Make sure the sizing is correct. Resize it a little bit and bring it here, somewhere here. There you go. Can you see it? Okay, I'm still not satisfied. I bring it a little bit to the left. Here you are. It is a simple card, but to start with editing, this is what you can try and do. So I'm thinking of putting another picture in my card. So I am going to add another one, which is the elements. You can see the templates, the uploads, photos, and elements here. Here, the elements here. So we click on the elements. Again, let me do it for you. Elements. Okay, and you can type EID for EID because in English it's called EID. EID celebration. Okay, so EID, search for it, and you will find plenty of pictures or elements that you can find to add up to your card. So as for me, make sure that You don't choose those with the pro sign there because it's not for you. This is you have to choose the free one. If you can't use it, meaning that those are paid one, the pro one, so you just choose the free, the one that you can use freely, like this one. I'm choosing this one. See, I have the ketupat there, and I want to bring it a little bit to this side here. Oh, sorry. Okay, maybe I have to resize this. Yeah, see, there you go. So once you are done, you are satisfied with your editing, you can do whatever that you want, but I want you to make a very simple cut. Make sure it's very simple as mine that I have now. So the next thing that you have to do is, when you are done, you can see that the button on the top, the right corner, the top right corner, the one with the arrow down, okay, because we want to save it as an image. Okay, again, on the top right corner, the button with the down arrow, click on it. It will save your image, and you just click on save. You might be prompted with Canva to assess your photos and everything. You just allow it, don't deny, make sure you allow it, and wait for the saving part of it. They are preparing your design and everything. Okay, the next thing that you can do is you can actually share, and I want you to share it with your friend. So to make it easier for you, don't use this, just go back. You can straight away exit it and go to our classroom. Go to our classroom Telegram group. You can search it year 2AK and choose the card that you have done. Make sure you put your name there. Yeah, and then send it. Make sure to click the send button. So I suppose that is all the task for today. I hope you enjoy using the application of Canva. Take your time to try. If you have any problems, you can straight away ask me. Happy Hari Raya to everyone. And that would be all for today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum and bye bye.